So, hello. I made this little car today. It probably took me about 5 hours in total. Designing it took about like 1 or 2 hours, and then for assembling it, probably like 3 to 4 hours. It drives pretty well. The controls are also pretty simple, but yes, they're a little bit limited. So, to drive forward, you just type in 3, and then you send it, and then it drives. To turn to the right, you send in 2. Alright. Then 2 again. To turn to the left, you send in 1. Yeah, I mean, it drives pretty well, but in short, it's an ESP8266. I used it because it's small and it's powerful. I just used a basic motor driver right here, L298N, and the ESP is right here under the battery. Speaking of batteries, I have one battery for the motors, so it goes to the motor driver right here. And then a power bank for the ESP8266. So yeah, it's basically just 4 motors, 2 motors for each channel. So to turn right, it would be 2 of these motors activating, and then to turn to the left, it would be those 2 motors working. Then to go forward, it would be just all of them working. It drives pretty quickly. You can actually go over obstacles. I'll show that in a second. So here we have a battery and some tape. Actually drives over there, alright. The motors aren't actually that powerful because I only used a 9-volt battery. There's actually 7 volts. I don't know why it's 9 volts. I could use this, but it's a little bit too big. I'm not sure how I would attach it to the car. It'll probably like fall over or something. If you want to see more about it, I'll write it on my website. And yeah, that's basically it. Alright, see ya. If you're interested, this is the 3D design part. It's gonna be pretty short. So basically, we have the breadboard, we have the ESP8266 on here, we have the motor driver L298N, then we have the 4 motors on there as well. This is the base that I actually tried to print, but it failed because I was too impatient, and basically I forced the printer to print too quickly. Then it kind of broke. So yeah, but you actually don't need it. I don't know why I made it, but yeah, basically we can hide that. And yeah, just pretty simple. Yeah.